following the heels of the Christian school, we have the JNB Ribhoi boys contingent under the command of Mr. Freddy Kongpai.
Ladies and gentlemen, marching towards the saluting dais is the girls' contingent of JNB Ribhoi, led by Commander Gifty Karsono. Marching towards the saluting dais is a mixed contingent of Nongpoh and Nongpoh Academy School, led by Commander Arul Murthy. Trailing closely behind is a mixed contingent of Nongpoh Nepali Secondary School, led by Commander Shiru Lakki Nonglai. Marching toward the saluting dais is a mixed contingent of Morley Higher Secondary School, led by Commander Bashirta Kharkaram.
Approaching the saluting dais to take the salute now is the Alpha English Higher Secondary School boys and girls contingent under the command of Ms. Miracle Salome Matong. And following the heels of the Alpha, we have the St. Paul Higher Secondary School boys and girls under the command of Mr. Prangkupar Shangpiang. The last contingent approaching the saluting dais is the St. Paul Higher Secondary School Band platoon led by Mr. Lam Prang Hawa.